All right, so once you melt all your wax in your bowl, you can pour it into your candle. So let's go ahead and do that. Remember to be careful. You may need to use pot holders or oven mitts so you don't burn yourself on the bowl. That was my stir. I forgot to mention you may want to stir your wax so it doesn't get all clumpy. All right, this is the wax. Let's pour it in. Ooh, oh, actually, that was like the perfect amount. Hopefully you all had enough. If you didn't, we might have some extra at the library. All right, and then it says to attach the wick to a pencil. So that's so that the wick doesn't fall over. So first, get some tape. Get your pencil and go. Set that right down there. Go loop. Get your tape. Attach the wick to the pencil. Just like that. So hopefully you can kind of see how I bent the wick so that it's attached to the pencil just like that, so it's all sticking straight up. Actually, I think I needed to do it a little more. I'm gonna adjust it. Oops, oh no, it fell off from the bottom of the jar. That's okay, because when the wax melts, it'll kind of melt in the middle. It's my first time doing this, so it's okay. All right, reattach it on there. All right, we're all good. And it says to let it sit for at least 4 hours, but I think you should probably let your candle sit overnight before you light it. You want it to be like completely hardened before you light your candle. And I did notice that some of the sprinkles kind of fell to the bottom. You may want to wait a little bit longer to pour your wax in before, so that the sprinkles harden a little bit more. I probably would have done that if I did this again. And there you have it, your new funfetti candle. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to the library and I would be happy to help you troubleshoot any of this. But like I said, I've never made a candle before either, so we're all learning together. I hope you enjoy it. I hope it smells great. You can always add some like essential oils if you have those at home to your wax when you pour it in. That way it can smell like vanilla or a flower or something like that. So get creative. Have a great summer.